My friends, welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at the Coca-Cola. This is the lip balm, lip smacker, or chapstick, depends on what you guys want to call it. You can pause the video here to see the different scents. We're going to go ahead and I'm just going to open them up and smell the different scents. I'll go over the different scents, so video might be a little boring after this point for most of you guys, but for those people who do, want my reaction, this is what it looks like. Standard lip balm size, twist off. This one is supposed to be, just as Coca-Cola, so I'm just guessing regular. Not really. Doesn't, I mean, it smells a little bit like it, but we got Fanta, orange. Oh, that smells actually pretty decent. I like that. Fanta, strawberry. Obviously, oh, that smells good. Obviously, putting it on your lips and smelling it are probably going to be a little different. Root beer. Root beer used to be my all-time favorite soda. Oh, that definitely smells just like root beer. Absolutely. Definitely. I'm shocked that Coca-Cola was not as good smelling. This is Coca-Cola vanilla. Sort of. Grape. Oh yeah, that definitely smells like grape. Sprite. How's that gonna be? It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, a little bit like I see what they try to do. They add lemon in there to make it try and smell closer, and cherry Coke. I hope this smells close. Yeah, I mean a little bit. But overall, yeah, very nice. Nice little set here.